No way to kill him.
Yeah. Or how? I am full inventory, so I mean at the end of the day we don't have to.
Y'all are ass, bro. Y'all both suck ass, bro. Y'all are so shit. Oh, y'all are so shit, bro. Both of y'all are ass. Yeah, go ahead and kill me, bro. Yeah, they're ass, bro. These guys are ass. I'm by myself. If y'all want to show me.
Shut your bitch ass up and die already, man.
You fucking suck. Y'all couldn't handle me by yourselves. I kept putting y'all down by myself. Y'all fucking suck, bitch.
Yeah, we got these ass for let's see if either of these guys.
Hey, it's all good, bro.
Wait, let's see if there's a defib.
Hey, trying to go that loud.
Oh, we like to.
Yeah, I'm kind of glad you killed those fuckers. It was just me by myself. If y'all got killed, it's fine. No way. Fucking love y'all. Hey, there's like 4 bodies up here, bro. Leaving all over them. There's 2 right here, and there's 2 all the way down here, bro.
I appreciate that.
Here, come here, guy.
Bro, y'all, no way.
Do you have a shield?
I do have a shield, but it's broken. I don't know how to.
Yeah, these guys might have shields.
Waiter, look.
Bro, I can't believe y'all right now. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
Light shield.
Light shield on this guy. I don't know what
Yes,
thing you
I
got.
got a light shield. That's what I got. Damn, bro. I can't believe this right now.
Here, take a stack of batteries.
Listen, a shield recharger.
Fuck, man. I can't believe this.
Hey, guy, there's some shield rechargers right next to this body for you.
Okay. All right. Appreciate y'all, man.
No problem.
Appreciate y'all. Damn, bro. Hey, can I just extract with y'all? Is that cool?
Yeah, if you want to roll with us, come on.
Hey, there's 2 bodies over here, bro. All the way in this room. There's a body in here. Oh, yeah, he's already on one. And there's one over here to the right. Wait, where'd he go? Unless that one's him that got picked up. I think that might be it, man. No way, bro.
Oh, the bodies are, those bodies got all the way downstairs.
Okay. Let me see what this guy has.
Guys.
What happened, bro?
Head home at the Red Lakes hatch.
Oh,
They
yeah.
had a hatch key.
Oh, let's go.
Let's get the fuck out of here, boys.
Here, I'm coming with y'all. Let me just loot this guy. He has. Ooh.
Oh, you're all good.
Bro, y'all are my. I've never encountered
that's-
things like this before. Oh my goodness.
Really? That's crazy.
Bro, each lobby I've always got, people just always go at it. My gosh. Damn, bro. Man, oh my goodness. I still can't believe this right now. Bro, I was literally going at it with these dudes up here for like 5 minutes. And
Alright,
those
let's
dudes,
get out of
I
here.
downed one of them. Oh man.
Man, snack hook for the win.
Hell yeah.
I don't know if you noticed, we snap hooked from the lobby.
Oh really?
Yeah, no, you see how you were down and down right here?
Yeah.
The reason they stopped fucking with you is because I started climbing right upside of this. I started climbing up it.
Oh, you're my savior, bro.
Spike ram. Alright, we're going to the Red Lake hatch.
I'm with y'all, bro. I'm with y'all.
An arc orbiter is en route. The safe window is closing. You have 10 minutes to return to Speranza. I repeat, 10 minutes.
Aranity? Right here, 2 dead guys.
Damn. Appreciate y'all, bro.
Asking not to kill you, but because I'm genuinely curious. I know it's gonna be your safe pocket, which is why I asked. If you end up getting it, it's cool.
What was that, bro?
asking purely out of curiosity. Did you get any? Did you get any good goop?
Not
you get
really.
cooked up?
I have the best thing I have is probably a anvil, and then I got maybe a diamond necklace.
Fair enough. Well, hey, I might throw you some stuff when we get to the hatch.
Oh, dude! Oh my goodness! I cannot believe this right now.
Wait, let me get a good look at you so I don't actually shoot you when we get into the fight. Okay, okay, okay. Where'd you end up pinging? Nick?
Over here.
Oh, he had a faster way down. That's. Hey, just let you know, I got another defib.
Okay, okay. Appreciate it. What? What gun is that?
It's the Renegade 4.
And this is the Bobcat.
Oh, Bobcat and Renegade. Okay.
I'm not gonna lie, I really fuck with the Renegade 4.
Dude, I just seen that. Y'all just put those things down quick.
Alright, you ready to head out?
Yeah, I'm ready, bro. I'm ready.
That's all for you.
No way, bro. No way, bro. No way. Nah. I can't believe this right now. Bro. What? Nah.
Take it.
I'm jumping. Bro, I'm grabbing. Hold up, I'm going. Snap hook? No. I'm dropping everything else. I got the screw these shields. I don't care about that Venator. Bro, I am full, fellas. I don't even know if thank yous enough, honestly.
You guys kill
this is
him right
never,
here,
ever
right
happened to me. What the
That would be
actual
so evil.
fuck? Oh my god.
Hey, just remember, just remember, take it easy, and not everyone's an asshole in this game.
Hey, bro, I appreciate y'all, man. Oh my gosh, bro, I really do, man. GG's, thank you so much, bro.
No problem,
I
man.
love coming to clutch.
Fuck, I will always remember this
Alright,
one
let's get
right
ready to get out of here.
I find in addition to my
Hey,
collection.
man,
Go first,
appreciate
go
y'all.
first.
Thank y'all.
Yeah, I'm going.
Oh, yeah, y'all too, bro.
Let's go! Bro, those two idiots got smoked.
100%.
Right.